Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and today's weather hazard briefing is for Saturday, October 2nd. We do have a high pressure continuing through the remainder of the week and into the start of next. And what that means for us is continued dry conditions with skies clear and winds staying light and variable. And some key points we're going to look at today. That high pressure ridge does continue through next week with high temperatures into the upper 70s for Tuesday, as Tuesday next week looks to be the warmest day of the week. A pattern change Tuesday night into Wednesday leaves us with temperatures in the 50s and 60s with some lingering 70s for our far western locations. A slight chance for showers does increase throughout the week next week, so as far as that Wednesday-Thursday time frame, becoming more widespread towards the end of the week, so Friday into Saturday. And with these much cooler temperatures, we are seeing increased chances for some high elevation snow showers as well. Here's a look at the current satellite loop this morning. Not a whole lot to talk about. Have a few clouds training up along the Colorado-Utah border and a little bit of a system working across Washington and Oregon. But much of that will stay out of our area, leaving skies clear for today. A look at our weather risk outlook doesn't show much. Just mainly clear, consistent, slightly above seasonable temperatures through next week, and then some showers working into the period for Wednesday through Saturday of next week. And no watches or warnings are in effect. And a look at your weekend high temperatures. For today, it's going to be across the board in the 70s, so pretty seasonable for this time of year. And then for Sunday, we are warming up by a few degrees, so especially in our western locations, in the mid-70s, with other areas following suit and just raising by about a few degrees. And for Monday, we continue that warming trend, warming again by about 2 to 3 degrees. So in our western locations, getting up towards around 80 degrees, with everywhere else around in the mid-70s. For Tuesday, it's going to be our warmest day of the week next week. We are seeing temperatures get up to around 80 degrees across much of the forecast area, especially in the Snake Plain, with some near-record conditions possible in the Central Mountains. We do have a slightly elevated wind gusts, but not a whole lot to talk about in terms of that, just ushering in that pattern change for Wednesday. And for Wednesday, as we're seeing, temperatures cool by almost 10 degrees in many of our locations, so seeing temperatures in the 60s across the board with some lingering 70s over towards the Shoshone area. And a look at our 6 to 10 day outlook, we are in the above normal precip, so as far as much of our CWA is covered underneath that above, so seeing some maybe increased chances for showers above normal for this time of year through next week. And as far as temperatures, we are trending a little bit colder for the remainder of next week. So although it might be pretty warm through the start of this week, towards the end of next week, things are looking to cool off and become slightly below seasonable temperatures. And as far as that above normal precip does continue through the remainder of the period, so that's October 9th through 15th. So looking a few weeks out, things look to remain slightly wet and above normal, with temperatures again staying slightly below. So we're going to be seeing those cooler and wetter conditions persisting through those first few weeks of October once we get through this little bit of heat to start off this month. And a quick look back at our summary. We do have that high pressure continuing through next week, with the high temperatures climbing into the upper 70s for Tuesday. And that pattern change Tuesday night into Wednesday leaves us with highs in the 50s and 60s, generally cooling throughout the rest of the week, and a slight chance for showers Wednesday and Thursday, becoming more widespread towards the end of the week. And what that means for us, including those very cooler temperatures, is that increased chance for some high elevation snow showers. And that about wraps up your weather briefing for today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to contact us at our email, give us a phone call, or check out some information on our website. Have a wonderful day.